Planning. We have all heard variations on the US Army quote, "Prior planning prevents piss-poor performance." A huge part of planning your book is research. When it comes to selling your book, as with all selling, we tend to think that our book is for everyone, rather than being specific. The tighter the target audience, the easier it is to sell to them. Who, what, where and why. Who? Who is your book for? Age group, an obvious first step, but have you considered boys or girls, religion, interests, favorite animals? Not everybody likes spiders or cats, for example. What? What is this book about? A princess, a trip to the dentist, or going to the moon, or all of the above? What? What books are already written on your subject? Are they selling? Researching best-selling books in your genre, also books that are not selling, and why? Where? Where is your story set? Partly covered above. Being different from your competitors' books may work for you, it may not. Where? Where are your competitors' books selling and why are they using that platform? Amazon Kindle and CreateSpace. Apple's iBooks, BookBub, etc. All the other platforms available. Why? Why do you want to write and publish a book? Your motivation to get the work done. What does it mean to you? How will you feel, think after you have published your first book? What are you prepared to do, give up in your quest to become successful? These questions and more need to be considered in your research as you plan your book. Below this video, you will find links to resources to help you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, you'll never miss out again.